No one likes being done by a panel. My excuse? That was Premier League attacker and Belgium international Kevin Morales.
Hello.
Wir mussten ständig einkaufen. Die Sachen blieben einfach nicht lang genug frisch. Auf AO.de habe ich dann den perfekten Siemens-Kühlschrank für uns gefunden. Der wurde direkt am nächsten Tag geliefert. Und dank dem Hyperfresh-System bleibt alles viel länger frisch. Problem gelöst. Danke, AO.
But in today's fast-paced, busy world of social media, conference calls, video chat and online stalking, business meetings need that extra level of sensory connection to ensure you stay ahead of the game. I'm here to introduce the Ferro Card.
Driving, but every corner I turn is taking my breath away, and I just feel really positive about everything that's happened this morning. I know I came in very anxious and nervous, but how can you be when you're around people that are so welcoming? So yeah, it's just...
We excel in over 100 sports.
Our customers shape what we deliver.
Follow NB Football and like this post and you could win my signed gloves.
With thousands of UK GPs in our smart network, you could see a doctor in 6 minutes. On any device.
Your prescription is ready.
This is GM Volt, our potent new pre-workout. Designed to improve muscle pump, mental focus and performance before your big workout.
Mr. Jones! Mr. Jones is in here. Okay. Mr. Jones! Mr. Jones!
Why are you two finding them all? I literally can't find anything. It's not fair. Joe has actually found, and I can see the red butt, so this is a bilberry.
This is a bilberry bumblebee. You can see how brightly coloured it is.
Into geographically non-specific learning.
Well, the name needs work, but you have been busy.
From this laboratory, we are running 49 pilot courses with students spread right across the globe.
Education for everyone.
Anyone with access to prototype telegraphy equipment and a loft full of carrier pigeons, yes, sir.
How does it work?
These?
Jeden Tag mache ich die Wäsche.
Und jeden Tag vergisst du was. Papa, du hast was vergessen.
Aber ich weiß mir zu helfen. Auf AO.de habe ich die richtige Samsung-Waschmaschine für uns gefunden. Zum super Preis. Sie wurde am nächsten Tag geliefert und direkt angeschlossen.
Und wenn Papa mal wieder was vergisst,
gibt's hier noch die AdWash-Tür.
Papa,